Truth be told, dating is not a pastime, it is for a purpose. So date with a purpose. You know what? Dating isn't about or testing how far you can go. It is about walking in wisdom. And when you know your purpose, you will settle for any distraction. Now think about this. God wants to guide you in your relationships. So you have to invite Him in. I like this verse in Proverbs 3 verse 6. In all your ways, acknowledge Him and He will make your path straight. So as you date, you have to acknowledge God. You have to seek His wisdom. You have to date to honor God, not just to pass the time or to avoid being lonely or bored ka or wala lang kay ginabuhat, trip-trip lang. It's not like that. So before you enter a relationship, before you pursue someone, before you date someone, ask this question: does this honor God? Or does this move me closer to Jesus or away from Jesus? Because truth be told, the right person will never pull you away from the right path.